Health is a state of complete harmony of our body, mind, and spirit. When one is free from physical disabilities and mental distractions, the gates of the soul open.
A very magnificent morning to everyone. With this wonderful thought, I would like to begin the assembly of class 9th D with a symphonic poem.
Oh, very late in morning to one and not present here. Today, our chef Panani of class 9D is going to recite a poem on vitamins and our health. Let's start. Vitamin A has a mission to give you strong bones and healthy vision. Vitamin D is from the sun and helps the mineral calcium. Vitamin E always goes zoom to help your system stay immune. Vitamin K helps you clot. That way you will not bleed a lot. Vitamin C won't let you go sick. You will pump your iron more quick. Vitamin B 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7 works to keep your engine revving. Folic acid is the number 9. Keeps your DNA working fine.
Now let's go ahead with a short play that students of class 9th D have prepared.
Good morning everyone. We are through with the chapter Food and Nutrition. Hope you all have understood it well. So now I have an interesting activity for all of you. I'll be giving you some nutritious food items and you have to speak some lines on it. Okay? Are you all ready?
Green vegetables such as bitter gourd, capsicum and peas are packed with vitamins, minerals and fibers. Eating a healthy portion of green vegetables in your daily diet helps you protect you from many diseases such as cancer, obesity and heart disease.
Pulses. Pulses are also known as grain legumes. It includes bean, peas and lentils. Pulses are good source of fiber, vitamins and minerals. They are also rich in proteins.
Chapati. A small chapati has 70 calories, 3 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat and 15 grams of energy-giving carbohydrates. It is power-packed with energy. Chapatis are an excellent source of carbohydrates that can provide you with ample amount of energy and keep you full for long. They are not only known to energize you but also boost your mind. They are good for your skin. With the goodness of zinc and other minerals, eating chapati every day can do wonders to your skin. Can't believe? But it's true.
Water. Water is a very essential part of our life as it regulates our body temperature. It also improves our metabolism and it removes all the toxins from the body. Roughage. Roughage is another important part of our diet as it helps in digestion. It is obtained from fruits, vegetables and pulses. Salad is a good source of roughage.
Milk. Milk is packed with important nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, vitamins B and D and potassium and is an excellent source of calcium. While milk products such as ghee, butter and cheese are rich in fats, proteins, calcium and vitamins.
A balanced diet is a way of ensuring that you are eating all the food items and the nutrients that are required for your body to function properly. The items shown in the above activity, such as milk products, cereals, pulses, green vegetables and fruits, water and salad, all are important for your body to function properly.
Hello sis. Did you miss me at the hostel?
I did miss you, but more than that, I miss the food made by mom.
How can you miss that boring food? I am frustrated by eating it. I'm going outside with my friends to eat some delicious food. Mom, I am feeling very low and my stomach is also aching. Maybe I have food poisoning.
I am feeling very fresh and healthy just because I have eaten home cooked food after a long time.
Cooking is at once a child's play and adult's joy, and cooking done with care is an act of love. Many commercially prepared foods are high in fat, salts, and sugar. But when we prepare our own food, we know exactly which ingredients and how much of each are going in our food. Preparing healthy meals at home can support your immune system and can reduce the risk of illness.
Wow, this diet tastes so good. It is better than what I ate at the restaurant.
Absolutely right. Yes, because the food offered to God is purely made by good intentions and love. मन का भाव अच्छा रखकर बनाया हुआ खाना हमेशा अच्छा होता है.
Isn't it amazing to serve people irrespective of their caste, religion and position in the society?
The dal here is served to everyone, be it rich, poor, young or old.
Because food offered to God is always pure. Food made with love is always good. I hope you all understood the benefits of a balanced diet.
Now let's hear an inspiring and a beautiful message from our class teacher.
Hello everyone. Health and nutrition goes hand in hand. There is a Sanskrit shloka which explains this beautifully in simple words. Deepo bhakshayate dvantam kajjalam cha prasuyate yadannam bhakshaye nityam jayate tadrishi praja. As lamp eats darkness and produces soot, what food quality one eats daily, so will one produce. What kind of mind are we creating through our diet? Our mind is the essence of food that we eat. And it also goes with an age-old saying, healthy mind in a healthy body. Food partaken with reverence results in strength and longevity, and it destructs both when it is taken irreverentially. I hope each one of us has something to take away from this presentation. We must eat with gratitude and conscience. So, experiment with food and choose the one which makes you feel agile and alive. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Bye for now.